We are entering the Rise of Resistance ride, which I've never ridden before. And I've been waiting 2 years for this. I don't care how long this line is. We are very excited.
It's the backside of water.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
Oh my gosh, we're getting on our ship.
Oh my god.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Oh my god!
All the way inside, scared clear the doors.
I just want to be sure.
We're actually riding a ship.
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Go in the middle. Go in the middle.
Good. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20
Is he gonna
seconds.
get assembly or we need to hold on?
I don't know.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2. More incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
We'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing.
Yeah, but we don't
The
know that
future
yet.
of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Oh.
This vessel's now under the command of the First Order. Everybody
the ship now. Go.
I'm sorry.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Look at it.
Okay. Oh my God.
That's true. Dad, I just got arrested. Knee down your right. Just down the corridor. Keep your unit together.
Hi guys.
Dad, it's your dream. Camera ahead. Are you guys real?
Amazing. We're being arrested. We just got arrested. We just got arrested. Oh my God. What are we gonna do?
We were just captured.
God, did you see that?
That was so rad. It made me cry. I'm with my people. We were so scared. I love the first order.
What?
I love the first order. I'm with my people.
Me too.
Interrogation 100% all the way.
Dang it.
Now, would you like to know how we do that here in the first order?
Yes.
We're gonna have you wait in line to wait in 2 more lines. And when you get to the end of that last line, sorry, we're closed. Come back later. We go to the first attendant right up ahead.
All right, thank you.
How many did you say again? 4. Right after that. How many here? 2 will stand
How dare
on
you.
blue, 3 on pressure, 2 on red, 3 on blue. Quickly. How many? 4, you will stand on gray, the gray closest to us. How many? You will do well to remember those colors as they will be critical to your interrogation. If you are trying to contact someone to rescue you, I'm afraid it's too late. No one's coming.
Should we run?
No, we're gonna die if we run.
I don't know. I'm kind of frightened.
Oh, red.
Oh my God. What is this? What is this?
It's giving me anxiety.
This is sus. We're in a cell.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Or blue.
Wait, you're still here?
You got mine.
Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck,
Hi guys.
we need to find him a way.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cintas.
We're being rescued. We've been in the cell for 5 seconds and we're being rescued.
Oh God. What's
Okay.
gonna happen?
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Elder makes a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized.
No, we're good. No, we're good.
Oh my God! What the heck?
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. Of the secret base. No. And then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, it's your resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Staffer's talking. Lieutenant Beck here.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Great job, recruits.
Thanks
to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
That was the best thing that ever happened to me. Thoughts, opinions?
Okay, we were captured, and we were in the cell for at least 30 seconds, and then we were saved. How did they get the message in 30 seconds
Cameron,
to save us?
what do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
I like when it came.
When it dropped down?
He stabbed it.
Oh yeah, that's scary. When he's trying to get us? What did you think? Oh my god.
I thought it was better than the movie.
Woo! Best day ever!